तो चलिए आज हम डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस के बारे में जानते हैं। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। वह रोज स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ। I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. वे हर शनिवार को बाजार जाते हैं। They go to the market every Saturday. They go to the market every Saturday. वह रोज एक सेब खाती है। She eats an apple every day. She eats an apple every day. हम हर रविवार को पार्क में खेलते हैं। We play in the park every Sunday. We play in the park every Sunday. Past indefinite tense. उन्होंने कल फिल्म देखी। They watched a movie yesterday. They watched a movie yesterday. मैंने सुबह नाश्ता किया। I had breakfast in the morning. I had breakfast in the morning. तुमने मेरी किताब ली थी। You took my book. You took my book. वह कल बाजार गया था। He went to the market yesterday. He went to the market yesterday. हमने पिछली रात पार्टी की। We had a party last night. We had a party last night. Present perfect tense. मैंने अभी-अभी खाना खाया है। I have just eaten. I have just eaten. उसने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर ली है। She has completed her studies. She has completed her studies. वे अमेरिका जा चुके हैं। They have gone to America. They have gone to America. मैंने अभी तक अपना होमवर्क पूरा नहीं किया है। I have not finished my homework yet. I have not finished my homework yet. उसने नई कार खरीदी है। He has bought a new car. He has bought a new car. Past perfect tense. जब मैं पहुंचा, वह जा चुका था। When I arrived, he had left. When I arrived, he had left. उसने कहा कि उसने पहले ही खाना खा लिया था। He said that he had already eaten. He said that he had already eaten. हम फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले पहुंचे थे। We had arrived before the movie started. We had arrived before the movie started. वे मेरे आने से पहले चले गए थे। They had left before I came. They had left before I came. उसने अपने दोस्त को मिलने से पहले फोन किया था। She had called her friend before meeting him. She had called her friend before meeting him. Use of modals. मुझे स्कूल जाना चाहिए। I should go to school. I should go to school. वह कल आ सकता है। He might come tomorrow. He might come tomorrow. आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं। You can call me. You can call me. हमें समय पर पहुंचना होगा। We must reach on time. We must reach on time. क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you? Can I help you? Zero conditional sentences. अगर पानी 100 डिग्री पर गर्म होता है, तो वह उबलता है। If water is heated to 100 degrees, it boils. If water is heated to 100 degrees, it boils. अगर बर्फ को गर्म करो, तो वह पिघल जाती है। If you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, it melts. अगर तुम चीनी को पानी में डालते हो, तो वह घुल जाती है। If you put sugar in water, it dissolves. If you put sugar in water, it dissolves. अगर तुम धूप में रहोगे, तो तुम्हें धूप लगेगी। If you stay in the sun, you get sunburnt. If you stay in the sun, you get sunburnt. अगर हवा में नमी होती है, तो बादल बनते हैं। If there is moisture in the air, clouds form. If there is moisture in the air, clouds form. First conditional sentences. अगर वह आएगा, तो मैं उसे मिलूंगा। If he comes, I will meet him. If he comes, I will meet him. अगर तुम पढ़ाई करोगे तो तुम्हें अच्छे नंबर मिलेंगे. If you study, you will get good marks. If you study, you will get good marks. अगर बारिश होगी तो हम घर में रहेंगे. If it rains, we will stay at home. अगर वह समय पर पहुंचेगा तो हम साथ चलेंगे. If he reaches on time, we will go together. If he reaches on time, we will go together. अगर मैं समय पर पहुंचा तो मैं ट्रेन पकड़ूंगा. If I reach on time, I will catch the train. If I reach on time, I will catch the train. Second conditional sentences. अगर मेरे पास समय होता तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता. If I had time, I would help you. If I had time, I would help you. अगर वह अमीर होता तो वह एक बड़ी कार खरीदता. If he were rich, he would buy a big car. If he were rich, he would buy a big car. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं माफी मांगता. If I were in your place, I would apologize. If I were in your place, I would apologize. अगर उसे पता होता तो वह आ जाता. If he knew, he would come. If he knew, he would come. अगर वह दिल्ली में रहती तो हम उससे मिलते. If she lived in Delhi, we would meet her. If she lived in Delhi, we would meet her. Additional sentences for practice. उसने मुझे एक पत्र लिखा है. He has written me a letter. He has written me a letter. मैं यहाँ काम कर चुका हूँ. I have worked here. I have worked here. वे फिल्म देखकर आ चुके हैं. They have watched the movie. They have watched the movie. तुमने उस किताब को पढ़ा है. You have read that book. You have read that book. उसने अभी तक उत्तर नहीं दिया है. She has not replied yet. She has not replied yet. अगर मैं उड़ सकता तो मैं दुनिया की सैर करता. If I could fly, I would travel the world. If I could fly, I would travel the world. अगर तुम्हें भूख लगती है तो खाना खाओ. If you are hungry, eat food. If you are hungry, eat food. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं एक बड़ा घर खरीदता. If I were rich, I would buy a big house. If I were rich, I would buy a big house. जब मैं वहां पहुंचा तो वह सो चुका था. When I arrived there, he had slept. When I arrived there, he had slept. उसने कहा कि वह पहले ही आ चुकी है. She said that she had already come. She said that she had already come. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel English में बात.